welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot an ordinary fluorescent fitting and how to repair it. So this is our 2-feet fluorescent fitting, and now when you put it on like this and you see it doesn't light the full of it, you see a section here yellow and here yellow, that is a starter. So you switch off and then you change a starter. This is the starter. You change a starter, you put another one, and you are good to go. So that is the #1 problem. Then when you have a good starter and then you switch it on and it flickers like this, automatically that is a tube. You remove the tube and you change it. You remove this tube. Remove this tube. And you put another one. When you change the tube, it is supposed to light like that. So that's how simple it is. If it doesn't do that, and if the tube is okay and the starter is okay, then the ballast here, or the choke, it's the one with that has blown out. Thank you. Like and subscribe for the next video.